Jesse, everybody wants to know what kind of car Mons is building.
Oh, we're gonna tell them now?
Yeah, tell them.
What?
I don't know.
We're hiring.
Welcome back to CJ Race Cars YouTube channel. We're gonna show you a few things today. We did a barbecue. We're gonna show you Nick's car and some other stuff. But yeah, we're hiring. If anybody wants to come work, we'll move you. We'll do whatever. Jesse will come ride you back, camel. We'll send you a camel or a plane or how.
I don't know about all that.
Jesse got a spare room and everything. Till his girlfriend moves in.
Spare room. I live out of a tent.
It's about time you cook, man. I've had people hollering at me on this thing, and when's the barbecue? When's the barbecue? They don't care about the cars.
Oh, really?
No, they just want to see the barbecue.
Really?
I don't know what Jess is doing. What do you got on that? Lemon pepper or something?
No.
Garlic? What's on there?
What, the big flakes?
Yeah.
It's onion.
Onion? Oh.
Flavor.
Chicken on it. We got steak too, right?
Yeah, we got steak. Not yet.
Some flank steak. It's still early. It's only 9:30.
Yeah, I put these on at
8.
Been on there an hour and a half.
Yeah, steak doesn't take but what, a little bit, huh?
Yeah, on here like an hour and a half or something.
Yeah. Yeah.
The welding box.
And Stan Dakota's gone, so now he's got the smart car doubling as the setup table.
Yeah, I can't afford gas. So.
I had to suck in, man. You can't catch me off guard like that.
Oh, look at that side view. What did we do, Cameron?
What did we do?
Yeah, what do we do on this thing?
You didn't do much.
I didn't do anything at all.
I think you finished all the lines on the vacuum pump, the water pump, vent on the fuel cell, got the headers cut, gonna hang on back. Before, when we started this car and built the headers, had a factory firewall which was notched for the headers, so they kind of came out in a 90 and wanted them angled back, so we're changing that stuff now. Got a bulkhead in for the nitrous line. Need to get the tunnel done.
Yeah, just did some welding on the tunnel.
Stuff made for the ball valve, for the nitrous. Getting close. We don't have but maybe 2 days left, and this thing will be.
Got to do all the special relief cuts in the tank to get it in there.
Yeah, to get it to fit. These cars don't have any room in the front, especially with the motor in the factory location.
Yeah, you see it's really tight in there.
Not a whole lot of room left.
Got the dash in there. Got to make these filler panels. Little Zeus's. We got to rebuild the gas pedal so it clears.
But these cars are just so short in front of the tire.
You can kind of see some of the window work right here. Now we've got the windows out. It's pretty trick. We put this rubber seal right here, and then we recess these back so the rubber seal holds the window. And when the two windows butt up together, they're flush. And then we have all the scallops, cuts in the back. This is a trim piece I made. The factory piece, since we flush mounted the windows, there was a gap, like a 1/2 inch gap in between the window. So I took the original corner piece and then we made this trim piece to mimic the original piece, so you can kind of see the other window, or the flush mount window fits in there perfectly instead of having a 1/2 inch gap like the original trim did. So it's pretty trick. Still got to do some work on the trim pieces so they fit up here in the drip rail, but other than that, it's coming along really good. It'll look really clean once it's all painted.
That's not true at all. He'll be fine. Corey, you know it's Corky's birthday today? Yeah.
Dang, you turned 21 for the 52nd time.
I know. 21 for the 52nd time. Oh man, I think he's 49.
He doesn't look a day over 78.
No.
I'm telling you.
I hope I'm doing that good when I'm his age.
I know.
I already feel like I'm 70, and
I sure hope you're all retired by then.
I doubt it.
Retired?
We're in the wrong business to retire, Corky.
I only got 10 more years.
To retire? Well, I believe it. You can live on about $130 a week. He only needs $3,500 to retire.
He'll still have the same smart car.
Probably.
Hey, what happened to the Dakota? Tell us the truth. Is it getting prepped for no prep cams or something?
Yeah.
His girlfriend's been driving it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
He had to borrow it.
Dang, man.
We're taking too many beach trips.
Beach, where you
Yeah.
go to the beach? What beach?
Some beach.
He ain't gonna tell you.
He's not gonna tell you.
Come on, cough it up, which beach?
Oh, just all on the
Danny,
on the east. and west
do you
coast.
mind if I like cut this video and I put a little picture of you with your snakeskin boots? If I just do a little copy paste in there.
You don't have. I don't have.
Yeah, I
them.
took one.
Oh, you are so funny.
And we've all
I did. You haven't seen it?
Danny, dude, you were putting out the vibe, man.
Oh, when we were over there, that Mulligan's place?
Yeah. I couldn't hardly tell Danny was there. I could just see his head popping up around a circle of girls.
There wasn't one
I
girl
know.
around there but the waitress, and me and her, not gonna happen.
Tell us how you really feel.
I don't hold back.
Jesse.
I have learned
What is that?
to just
Mule sauce.
speak your mind.
Jesse, everybody wants to know what kind of car Mons is building.
Oh. Are we're gonna tell him now?
Yeah, tell him.
All right, here's one of the Braille battery mounts that we custom make for ourselves. And we cut all this down so it loses some material, but we put a lot of extra material out here so you can fit it to your application. So they're really cool, really nice and compact, easy to install. And we do also stock those Braille batteries, right?
Yeah, we're stocking at least.
How many we got?
2 or 3 right now.
We got like 20 of them back there.
I don't know. Also, for any of you guys that need any parts for your race car, street car, hot rods, we stock just about everything. That it takes to build a car except for wheels and tires. We're also a dealer for RC Component. We get welds. We're a dealer for Strange, Mark Williams, ton of stuff. Pretty much anything you need to build a car, we can get. So if you guys have any questions about parts or need anything, just give us a call. Ask for Corky. The number is 352-301-2087. He's awesome. He's been in the industry 30 years. He can help you with any questions you have and get you any parts you need. That's one of the bigger parts of our business. Obviously, we build the cars, but we do sell a lot of parts. We ship stuff all over the world, Australia, New Zealand, Kuwait. So anyone need anything, definitely get with Corky and he'll get you hooked up. All right, everyone, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Next week, we'll show you some stuff on Markowitz's car. We got it on a jig, on a body mount jig, mounting the body, mounting the front end, getting the pedals. Jesse's got templates for the firewall. He's done some sheet metal. All the Dorex carbon stuff's done. So trying to get that thing knocked out. We got Monza stuff, Clay Cole stuff, and we got like 2 or 3 other jobs in here that are getting knocked out. And that's it. I appreciate all you guys for watching. Thanks.